This is our unboxing video of the Lay-z-Spa St Moritz. We thought we'd assemble it without reading instructions because we've had one for 3 years and we put it down, put it up again, just to make it a bit more exciting for ourselves. It's very heavy, the box as well.
Oh. Do not use box knife. Oh, that's good. See it there? Part of it near the top. First thing you come up with. Oh, that's great. Yeah. Full of confidence there. For instruction videos, please visit Bestway. Oh, it's got a map there. I tell you, man. Ooh, chair repair stuff. Der Kleberstoff ist aufgrund dieser Rackenhungen. Nicht Repappen Entherland Klestoppers.
Throw it to one side.
Is the order. No sprachende English, not on that anyway. You must be thinking you get a lot of punctures.
Cotton freezing.
That's the second puncture repair I've found and we haven't even opened something up yet. That's the lid, isn't it? What? That's the cover for the lid. You filming this?
I'm not filming you, I'm just filming the box.
Oh, look. Oh, look, see?
It's a thing to go on the floor, isn't it?
Well, it's like your Joe's got, where you put it on the water, you know, as an extra level.
I'm too cold. It's that bloody ice cream thing.
Boiling hot.
I'm freezing. I think it was that brain freeze.
Get a cup of coffee.
You're gonna have to tip it. You have to tip the whole thing.
That must be the pub.
Hmm.
Ooh, oh, yeah. Filter housing, filter. Marty Funk housing. Oh, I saw a thing where it said it had these in, this chemi thing. And then it said, oh, we don't have them in anymore. Chem Connect. I'm going to have to read the instructions. I can't just guess this one. And I thought these were blue, even though it went with that colour. They're grey, I thought they were a grey colour.
It's brown. It's brown.
Looks the same, instructions. It's not like it's... Oh, there you go. What's this? Never had one of them. Good trip. Can't be the other one, I've had one of them. It's just happy.
This is our old spa.
Up there. See?
Yeah, did that. Okay.
It doesn't say which side it goes down. So you forget that, do you?
Shows you with the bubbles up.
Oh, that's good, because that's how I got it. I was lucky, wasn't it? It's too big. Is that it?
Mhm.
You reckon we need to...
A little bit that way, I think.
the whole this mat, or...?
No, that won't go because of the thing. Just that. Just take it up to the edge there. Mm.
5 minutes.
I'm just filming each stage on here.
So it's that, number 1. Oh. This is far more technical than the last one. Less, it's got a proper fitty thing on.
It shows it.
Doesn't fit like
Shows it one of those things
yeah,
on
it's
it.
got, I'll just guess. What the? I'll get the watch through time. It's locked. Should we read the instructions?
See with this.
No. No, it's got power to it. It's not locked.
Read the instructions. You've got to turn it on.
No.
This is filmed at 5 times the speed. Set the clock on the phone for the 5 minutes it says to pressurise the lime itself to fill it with air, you know.
Okay. Don't think that was the order I was supposed to do it. I think we're supposed to do the lid, aren't we? Next time.
Blow the lid up.
I think so.
Yeah.
Because we need this to blow the lid up, don't we?
Yeah.
Oh dear. Yeah, that's what I've got to take out. Got to get the box a bit. I never noticed the float in there, you know.
No, I thought you bought it separate.
Yeah,
Mm. Mm-hmm.
already got one, see? So is the look in here then. Oh, the other one. Little thing that goes over. Oh, that's it there. Oh, they're just covers that I push on. Filter goes on the bottom. You have to read the instructions.
Yeah.
We must put something in there.
Got 1200 litres of water in this, so I shocked this with 25 grams of chlorine granules, and after 14 hours the pH was low. It always is, our water, so I put 11 grams of pH plus in as well to bring it up.